The Mid-Atlantic Ridge System is the largest geological feature on the planet, located by the floor of the Atlantic Ocean and one of the largest mountain ranges. It is mostly filled in water with organisms like deep-sea coral, tube worms, and crabs. This geological feature also contains things like underwater volcanoes and other marine features. Today, we will be exploring the deep-sea creatures of the Mid-Atlantic. 1,000 animals live in the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, filled with volcanic eruptions, causing fish to be burnt. Some fish that live there are goblin shark, pelican eel, barrel-eye fish, and etc. Some of those fish are blind and can't see or have bulb-like antennas on their head. For example, the anglerfish. They have this form of light. Tube worms lay still, dwelling in the ocean as deep as 2,000 to 3,000 meters. They're often seen in groups of each other, but today we have a solitary creature. They're completely still besides the movement of water, typically buried between sand and rocks and eating bacteria. Unfortunately, their peace is disrupted upon organisms like crabs and shrimp attacking and eating them.
The vampire squid is averagely 1 foot long. Despite their names, vampire squid are actually not squids. Scientists' studies show that they are most likely related to octopus. Vampire squids live longer than the cephalopods, living with absolute peace. Vampire squids can live with very little oxygen.
The Japanese spider crab roams through the ocean floor at 50 to 600 meters. With its 12 to 13 feet body, relying on a diet of algae, mollusks, and any sort of dead fish, by holding the animal's body down and ripping it apart. Quite violent, eating it in small bites. Japanese spider crabs are omnivores, causing this diet. Sometimes in shallow waters, but can be found up to 4,000 feet deep, is shrimp, or called sea cockroaches, living with the diet of plants and small invertebrates, also roaming around with its 10 legs. It is classified as the lobster and crab section, and it's a cuisine with an exoskeleton. It is able to eat plants and small invertebrates by feeding, grazing, and scavenging, using specialized mouth parts and legs to eat. These animals are the most gorgeous of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. They show the beautiful nature of the marine ecosystem our minds will never fully wrap around. This is the Deep Sea Productions Journey to the Depths, signing out.